Ano nangyari
Mm-hmm.
sa TNT Manong? They're currently 0-3. Uh, they got blown out by NLEX in their first game, 91-74.
And Lex? Really?
Oh, tambak sila sa NLEX first game, 91-74.
Uh-huh.
TNT second game, they lost to Converge by
Then Phoenix, di ba?
then Phoenix, they got blown out, 85-91. How would you describe this one? Would you say that the loss of RHJ has a lot of like yung adjustment para sa TNT na it's taking
Well,
longer than
of,
expected?
of course, that's one.
Mm,
You basically take away 30
30
points,
points, 8 rebounds, 8 assists,
mga
mga ganun.
ganyan. But this point, I feel like kawawa din sila sa schedule, bro eh.
The
Parang
schedule,
sobrang
okay.
na burnout sila eh.
Okay, so
Parang na parang naubos eh. Hindi physically, pero mentally. Kasi grabe yung pinagdaanan nila last conference. I mean, say what you want. Casuals will always say something na, wala to, and text fan na, kasi ganito,
oo,
ganyan.
oo.
That's how I see. I'm a basketball player. If
Okay.
you if you win a championship, you got 10 days to rest and fucking go to camp again. Ano
Bugbog.
gagawin mo? Ano ka talaga? Hindi ka
Ah,
mabubugbog, pero mabuburyo ka mentally.
mentally.
Oo, na parang, alam mo yon, wala kang time sa family, wala kang time to
Mm,
recover, to rest, yung
okay.
ganyan. 'Di ba? Parang lalo na pag champion ka kasi ang difference kasi ng champion, gusto mo siyang ma-absorb talaga, gusto mong maramdaman yung championship mo eh, 'di ba?
Ito,
But
you got 10 days to just absorb it then. Okay, guys, we gotta get
and then
back. Like,
pero like of course, this is just my
yeah, sa Hooper.
opinion.
Yeah, sa
Kasi
Hooper. Oh.
and the others naman, nag-champion na din sila before and things like that na lalaro din agad. But this is what I see answering the question, why is TNT like this? It didn't favor them, the schedule and everything. This is not the PBA's fault, di ba? This is how the league goes. PBA has been going on for how many years na
50,
ganito na yung
magka-50 na. Magka-50 na.
na ganito yung tinatakbo ng liga na pagkatapos larga agad, laro agad, di ba? So, hindi lang pumabor sa kanila this time. Tapos yung mga nakakalaban mo pa, medyo nakabuelo na, di
Like,
ba?
NLEX
So,
has been rest well. I would say the rest of the teams are well rested. Lahat ng mga hindi
oo.
galing playoffs,
Mm.
diba?
Di ba? So, yeah, maybe that's why. Maybe that's why.
That's at least from a fan perspective kasi wala naman tayo sa loob, obviously. We're just
Oh, yes,
basing
yes,
it off
yes.
lang na, okay, what do we have?
Exactly,
What kind of
exactly.
data do we have? How long does ito, Mano? Like, right now kasi, pag Philippine Cup naman, alam naman natin it's gonna be Calves, it's gonna be Pogoy. Tapos wala pang Jason Castro. So,
Jason.
with that, do you think na malaki talaga ba yung adjustment period pag you're with an import
Ah,
na two straight conference? Or sometimes it just takes weeks na masasanay kayo agad ulit na
eventually masasanay din kayo kasi wala na eh, forced ka na eh. I mean,
mm,
0-3 in an 11-game conference is it's a little deep, to be honest. Buti na lang maaga pa. But I
9
would
games remaining eh.
I would call out
Yeah, sige.
Roger. I would call out
If you're
Ray.
a part of the coaching staff, yun yung gagawin mo. Okay.
Not really call out, but I would tell them na, guys, kayo na to, 'di ba?
Parang gising. Gising
This is
tayo.
a good opportunity for Ray to let everybody know I wasn't a finals boy wonder.
Mm.
That's it. That was the best that I can do. Hindi siya ganon. This is the time to prove it. Especially natatambakan sila. Alam mo 'yon,
Mm.
walang kumukumpas, walang uh, nag-steer, walang nagda-drive ng ship nila kaya sila, ako na muna, ako na to, Roger, Calvin, ganyan. 'Di ba? So, yun yung mahirap, walang facilitator ngayon. So, I would want Calvin, Roger, and Ray to actually take that leadership for talking text, to be able to slowly climb out of that ditch and see where this conference bring them.
Actually, mahirap dun, Manong, is that those three names you mentioned, are they the type to be vocal based from how you know them? So, or they have to gotta go out of their comfort zone na, di ko ganyan, what do you think? Are they the type to speak in from your experience being with them, knowing them?
Kasi sa ano bro, sa tingin ko
Mm.
ah,
In a pro setting kasi.
kasi si ano naman
Mm.
like for example, let's just put best example si Gabe. Si Gabe
Mm,
and si
Gabe.
Jason. Hindi sila, makikita mo na parang sobrang calm ng demeanor nila, sobrang reserved, sobrang tahimik. Pero hindi talaga eh. Like,
Mm.
they talk as leaders, uh, they show on the court how to do it. Off the court, they let you know this is how you do it as well. And I guess nandun na sa transition ng point na yun na Calvin's a couple years younger than me. Ray
Let
is
me
my
check his
age,
age.
maybe a year
Mm.
younger. Roger's a year older. Uh, so parang wala ka ng excuse na, hindi, bata pa ako eh. Alam mo
Wala.
yun?
Hindi na
May
pwede
ganun eh.
magamit yun na hindi ako,
Oo, na
ano
hindi na
eh.
ako, ay, hindi ko role yan eh. Hindi eh. Parang eto na yung role mo ngayon eh. So, in a professional setting, whether or not that's your personality, you have to find a way how to send this message. Kelly doesn't play a lot anymore. Maybe that
10 to
was
12
his
minutes a
job.
game. 10 to
Diba?
12
That
minutes
was
a
his
game.
job. Boy, of course, is very vocal about it. He shows it. He's very animated when it comes to it. Pero I guess, the message has to come from either of those three
Those
or
three.
those three combined.
So pwede kung hindi kaya na isa, di tara, pasabay-sabay natin to ano yan, as a team effort
Dapat,
na ano.
dapat, dapat yan. Basta same page kayo lahat. I'm not saying they're, like, kanya-kanya sila ngayon. Although sometimes when you watch it, it might look that way.
It might look that way from a
Pero hindi
outside
naman,
perspective.
matagal na magkakasama yung mga yan eh. So, alam na nila yan kung anong nangyayari dyan. Yun lang sa akin talaga, someone has to take the lead.
So hindi na sila pwede sabihin nandiyan naman si Kuya Jason eh. Kaya dapat ko sino yung mga naglalaro.
Wala eh.
Wala. Parang pwede kayo samahan sa locker room pero iba pa rin yung nasasamahan kayo on the court, no? Kesa
Oo,
yung
syempre. Iba
naka-street
yung
clothes ka na,
naglalaro.
guys.
Tsaka yung pag ikaw din player. Like for example, ako, I was out for like 3.5 weeks.
Ganun katagal? Parang ano lang, no? For me, parang 1 week lang. Wala.
No, para three and a
Oo,
half
parang
weeks.
tagal din pala.
Parang kahit kami, natatalo kami, nananalo kami, parang I can only say so much eh. Kasi
Ganun
hindi
ba
ako
yun? Kapag
naglalaro.
pilay ka, you only can say so much. Kala ko parang you have the full
Oo,
autonomy na parang babarat
oo,
ka,
hindi.
ano yun,
Tsaka
no?
kasi hindi naman dahil sa, alam mo yun, na dahil
Ah,
hindi ka naglalaro. Pero kasi itong mga to, like, I can only like motivate them and be push them. Pero hindi ko masasabi na, uy, dumive ka or yung ganyan, yung ganyan, yung ganyan.
sa pilay, hindi, wala kang
Kasi,
karapatan na magsap.
behind the lines ka lang eh, 'di ba? Pero hindi
Okay,
ako hindi
ganun
ako
pala.
hindi ako mapapagod mag-pump up sa kanila na uy,
Okay,
bigyan sila ng
okay.
kumpiyansa na tira mo, open ka, pag ganito, ganito, tuturuan mo ng ganyan. Pero yung like as a group, I would talk individually. Pero as a
Okay.
group, kailangan sila yan. Sila
Pump up.
nag-uusap talaga
Sila
dyan.
ang
Oo.
okay.
Yung mga pag nangyayari, anong kailangan natin gawin? Ano yung ganito? Ano yung ganyan? Di ba? And then yung mga nakikita ng mga coaches, di ba? Iba din yun.
Parang sila kakausap Japanese. Yung mga Japanese teammates mo.
Oo. Mga
Marunong,
Japanese.
marunong ka na
Onte.
ba ng basic conversational? Or
Hindi,
at least
hindi. Mahirap, bro.
basketball ano lang, like,
Onte. Basketball terms. Kahit
na
pa paano,
Japanese para
universal
mag,
naman eh. So,
okay.
natuturuan naman sila. And English
Hmm.
naman din. Or pag wala talaga, may gusto talaga akong sabihin na gusto malalim, we have a translator.
Nakaintindi
It's
naman,
always
like, they
open.
have a translator. You tell
We
the
have a
translator,
translator talaga, na ganun.
do you panic at this point? Your TNT, do you panic or hell no? Like, or medyo, like, let's kind of pick it up, guys. It's 0-3 eh. That's already almost a quarter, di ba? Of the games.
Not really panic,
Not
but
really panic.
you have to have this sense of urgency because you have to
You,
remember, bro, you haven't played Ginebra. You
yeah,
haven't played Magnolia. You haven't
mm-mm.
played San Miguel. You haven't played Meralco.
That's four.
So, those
And
four
Magnolia
teams,
is undefeated pa.
ayun
They're on
nga,
a
they haven't
roll.
played Magnolia, San Miguel, Ginebra,
Ginebra.
and Meralco.
Meralco.
They
Pucha.
played NLEX, Converge and
Converge,
Phoenix.
Phoenix.
So may run and gun ka pang rain or shine.
Yeah, you have Rain or Shine. I forgot about Rain or Shine. Yeah,
Uh,
there's Rain or Shine pa.
you have you have a
Northport.
young something to prove
Mm.
Northport and Blackwater.
Although with Northport Manong, si Arvin's not playing. He is
Oh yeah, yeah.
because of that contract, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
would ask you, Manong, like parang kuya advice mo. So, mas matanda ka kay Arvin, di ba? You have an offer from the KBL. Would you stay? Like sabihin natin, i-re-renew ka for a contract. Or should you just take the chance na, sige mag-KBL ka, just see.
Actually, yung ganyan kasi talaga. Like, for
Oo,
example, kay Arvin.
rookie contract siya eh. Rookie
Uh,
contract ba? Oh, basta restricted pa siya eh.
Tsaka
Restricted
ano,
free
like,
agent pa siya eh.
ako, it's a family decision since may
Family
family na
decision.
si Arvin. I think
Mm.
what will give him the most for his family is
Mm.
has to be the decision. It's a
Mm.
different for pag single ka, wala ka pang pamilya, wala ka pang anak, and it's different for, uh couples, families
Mm.
to do that kasi kailangan mo nang isipin yung kapakanan ng lahat ng mga kasama mo sa bahay. So, wherever that is, yun talaga yung magiging decision niya. I think it's gonna weigh heavier on what his family wants.
Yun lang naman. Yun yung pinaka-latest development ngayon sa
Uh,
PBA, yung contract
yeah,
ni
yeah.
Arvin. And hopefully makita natin ano ba yung mga more details na
Yes,
malaman
sir.
about him. Kung sino yung mga teams.
I'm sure pag Northport ka, of course, you want to keep
Yeah, of
your
course.
best
That's your
player.
centerpiece.
But
Oh.
you gotta get the bread.
That's our ano, yun yung ano natin sa podcast at
Yes,
mentality, get
sir.
breaded.
Get breaded.
When does it turn for the worse for TNT if you're 0-5? That's when you're like, pucha, nasarada.
0-5. Oo,
Oo.
0-5. Medyo
I don't
tagilid ka
remember a
naman.
TNT team
Pucha.
na 0-5 na nag-start.
Sheesh. 0-5, bro. Pucha, mabigat yun, man. Ay na, mabigat yun. Pero at this point, take it one game at a time. You have nothing to lose. Everybody's counting you out. Everybody wants na, oh, this is the time to face TNT.
Mm.
It surprised a lot of people. That's it. I think that's the only type of mindset that you can have right now. You can't say that we just have to beat the teams that we have to beat. Hindi, kasi ikaw yung natatalo ngayon eh. Alam mo yun? You
Tama.
gotta take care of business one game at a time, and I think approach it like that.
Guys, yun yung podcast natin. For those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating. Yung manong ano, ang dami mong fans sa Sandok. Sabi nila, okay yung Sandok na yan, na wireless. Tapos nagtatransmit pa daw ng signal. Yan yung
Yes,
magic ng Japan.
sir.
Only in Japan.
Oo, only in
Pag,
Japan yan.
pag dito yan, baka ligsyo marinig.
Wala. Choppy.
Those on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Nico Rocha here with Manong for Ravenna. See you all next
Yes,
time.
sir. See
Sana
you.
manalo Warriors Game 7. Sana yung next episode namin. Peace.
Sana mali ako.